There is a powerful, motivating, inspiring, and driving force inside each and every human being that, once unleashed, can make any dream, vision, or desire a reality. The secret of success is to do all common things uncommonly well. Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Life Tour. I am Zubair. Hope you guys are really doing well in life. Think rich and grow rich. You read the thumbnail? Yeah, that's right. Today I'll be talking about 6 most important steps to follow to be successful in life. Now, let me ask you a question. What is life? They say it's from B to D. B to D, it's from birth to death. Now what is in between B and a D? It's a C. Now what is a C? C is a choice. Our life is a matter of choices. Someone chooses to become a billionaire, someone a beggar, someone a doctor, and someone a patient. So ladies and gentlemen, today I'll give you 6 most important steps to follow to be successful in life. So let's go. Step number 1, burning desire. How curious and hungry are you to be successful in life? You should have a burning obsession towards it. You should be in love with your goal. Even if you fall 1,000 times, you should get up once more. Remember, the starting point of all achievement is a strong burning desire. Step number 2, specialize. Now when you have a goal and a strong desire towards it, you gotta become specialized in it. Become an expert in one narrow focus. Start as a beginner and start at once. Become an expert in one narrow focus. Choose the field whichever you would like to. Become an expert. Step number 3, faith. You gotta have an absolute faith in yourself. Desire backed by faith knows no such a word as impossible. Faith is a state of mind which may be induced or created by repeating the positive affirmations to our subconscious state. So, keep repeating the positive affirmations to our subconscious state to develop the emotion of faith. Step number 4, imagination and act. Most of the problems in life are because of 2 reasons. We act without imagining, or we keep imagining without acting. Every huge building, project, wonder, bridge was built twice. One in the imaginary world and second in the real world. So keep imagining. Imagine as much as you can. One imaginary idea can turn your life upside down. So conceive, believe, and achieve. What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Step number 5, self-talk. Now when you have all the first 4 steps in place, begin talking to yourself. Say your goals to yourself twice a day in the present tense. For example, if you want to become successful in life, say, I am successful, I am blessed, I am happy. Even if you're not, your subconscious will find a galaxy of ways to make you successful. So by simply affirming to yourself, your subconscious helps you find a way. Step number 6, planning. Last but not the least, planning bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to go. So plan and work according to it. So friends, these were the 6 steps which can change the game of your life. Stay happy, stay blessed. Don't forget to follow all these steps. Drop us a like, comment, and share our videos. Subscribe our channel to stay tuned. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.